Right, today in our grade 4 maths lesson, we are going to look at percentages. All right, can you read? Percentage. Percentages. Okay. Now, what do we mean by percentages? That will be the first thing which we want to look at. What do we understand by the term percentages? The word itself, percent, as I have written here, it means out of 100%, means out of 100. What is it that we mean by out of 100? Out of 100 means 100 will be our denominator in whatever sum we are doing. It's a fraction, right? Percentages go together with fractions, right? Out of 100 means it is a fraction. Here I've got 1 out of 100 or 1 over 100. If it is written like this, it is in a fraction form. You will be asked to change it to a percentage. And then again, what is the sign? Sign of percentage is written like this, as you can see here. I think it clearly shows. There when we say 9%, putting the sign percent, it is 9, a small 0 at the top, and then the slanting line, another small 1 at the bottom. Those are opposite. Also, so we may write so many numbers, putting the sign percent, 25% as shown here. Percent means out of 100. And the sign is as shown here. If you see any number with this sign, you know that that number has been written as a percentage. First, it will be a fraction. Then after being a fraction, it is changed to a percentage. Now, how do we do that? That is the main thing today. We want to focus on changing fractions to percentages. As we understand that percent means out of 100. All right. Let's look at this example. I'm going to show you examples. Hopefully you will follow. I am having a fraction, which is 7/10. 7 over 10. That is a fraction. And I said, when you are changing to a percentage, all the numbers, all your fractions should be over, they should be out of 100. But look here, we are having a fraction which is out of 10. But we are saying percentage is out of 100. How do we go to find change 10 to 100 yet? If we remember very well, before we come to this topic, back we talked about equivalent fractions. I hope you remember that. That is where our equivalent fractions come in now. Because we are having 7/10, but at the end, we want 7/10 to be changed to 7 over 100, 7/100, so that we have percentage. How do we go about that? Right? What we have to do, we are going to look for a fraction. as I said, to go back to our equivalent fractions, 7/10. Here we have got our denominator 7. 10. 7 as our numerator. We're going to look for another denominator, which when we multiply by 10, we get 100. Here we are saying 7/10. Let us not worry about that 7. We're not worried about our numerators. Our numerators are going to be in place when we have found the equivalent denominator. Why are we saying equivalent? It should be equal. It should be equivalent to 100. Why 100? We're changing to percentage. Why percentage? Percent means over 100. All right. Right. Now we have 7/10. Which number are we going to multiply by 10 and then get the answer 100? That is the question which we have to ask ourselves. We're looking at the denominator. I said, don't worry about the numerator. We're thinking of a number which you are going to multiply by 10 and then get the answer 100. Want to try? I will tell you to unmute. Unmute Melvin and tell us the number. Only Melvin. Only Melvin.
Number is 10.
Yes, very good, Melvin. The number is 10. The number that we are going to multiply 10 is 10. So we are going to say 7/10. Then we take that 10, double it, make it a numerator and a denominator for equivalent fractions. These fractions should be equal. We're not going to look for a different numerator. Can you see that? So we are saying 7/10 times 10/10. Why? Because 10 times 10, which is the denominator, is going to give us the answer. Vanessa, what answer are you going to get if you multiply 10 by 10? Unmute yourself, Vanessa, and tell us. 10 times 10, Vanessa.
100 equals to 100.
Very good, girl. Very good. Yes, because we are hunting. We are looking for any number that we multiply and gives us 100. So here we are saying 10 times 10 equal to 100. But then we are having 7/10. All right? So we go back. Because we said our denominator is 10, obvious our numerator also is going to be 10. So we are going to multiply 7 by 10. What is 7 times 10? Andile, unmute yourself, Andile, and tell us the answer. Andile, 7 times 10.
7 times 10.
Yes.
70.
What's your answer, Andile? 7 times 10?
70.
70. Very good. 7 times 10 is 70. Okay. Right. Now we are having 7/10 at the end as a percentage now. 7/10 as a percentage, it is equal to 70/100. This is still a fraction, but as we have worked our sum, we just put the sign percent. So we are saying 7/10 as a percentage is equal to 70%. Can we see that? Equivalent
Yes.
fractions. Yes, very good. The main part is here, where we are saying 10 over 10. We are looking for a denominator which we will multiply with and give us the answer 100. Why 100? Because we are looking at percentages. All right. Right. Suppose I have got a quarter, 1 quarter. 1 quarter. I want to change this to a percentage. I only have 4 here. 1 quarter, I'm having 4 as my denominator. I want to find out a number that when I multiply it with this 4, it is going to give me 100. Which number? Think of a number which we multiply by 4. Don't worry about the numerator, the denominator. Which number are we going to multiply by 4? And we get the answer 100. Which number is that? 4 times what? Work out. Uriel, unmute yourself. Let's listen to Uriel. Uriel?
4 times 45.
No, Uriel. 4 times what? Uriel?
45.
45.
45.
No, Uriel. No. You are not a mhlanga. Brave. Let's hear Brave. 4 times Brave.
4 times 25.
25. Uriel. 25. Can you see that? So we are going to multiply 4 times 25. Don't forget to take this 25 again and put it as your numerator, you double. Equivalent fractions, they should be equal, they should be the same. So we are saying 1 quarter is equal to 1 times 25. Can you see this now? We have the lead, which is 4. We multiply 4 by 25. 4 times 25, it is equal to 100. 1 times 25 equals 25 over 100. Now, what is this as a percentage? Now we're saying, what is 1 quarter as a percentage? Boitumelo, and mute yourself and tell us.
25%.
Very good. So can you see that 1 quarter changes at the end and becomes 25% now because of the equivalent fractions. Now 1 quarter becomes 25%. Look for a number you are given. Look for the number that you multiply and you get the answer 100. Double that number. You put it on top, you put it on top, you put it underneath as your numerator and your denominator. Then you multiply. After multiplying, just change it from being a fraction to a percentage by writing the sign percent. Are we together there? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, I want you to work out this sum. Change this fraction to a percentage. Work it out and just show me like this. 4/5 as a percentage. Work it out and show me big, right? Big, 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 big. And then if you are done, you show me. Up till to a percentage. Work out big numbers. Let's work out and see. And see. Let's quickly do that. Where is Nicholas? Nicholas has disappeared. Shame, he has got a bad network, I think. Show me your answer. 4/5. I want to see who is clever, 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 clever. Equivalent fractions, remember, equivalent fractions. If you find the denominator, just put that denominator as your numerator and then multiply. Quickly, show me you have Uriel. Uriel, you have to be very tactic because I can't even see where you wrote. Right big. Just put it straight like this. Straight. Who is done? Let me see, Poitumelo. Put it straight. I think it's big. You have written, very good, Ashanti. Tawana, very good. Very good. Where is it, Poitumelo? Where is your answer, Poitumelo? No. 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 Poitumelo, no. No. Try it again. Show me. Tawana, very good. Tawana, work 17 out of 25. Tawana, 17. Now, this one is for Tawana, who has finished. Tawana, work out this one. Tawana. The rest, Tasara. Tasara Nangangangu. Work out the same. Oh. Work out the sum. When you will have big numbers to work, look for the key here is to look for the denominator, which when you multiply, you get 20. I'm sorry, to get 100. It's very easy. Brave. Let me see, Uriel. Have you got it? No. Who is this one? Melvin, no. No, Melvin. Try again, Melvin. Melvin, no. Try again. Luyanda, wait someday. It's easy. Utawana will finish the next one when you have it. Find equivalent fractions. The equivalent fractions. Who is that one? No, Vanessa. No. Try again, Vanessa. No. Who is that one? Melvin. No. Melvin. No. Uriel, let me see. That is very small, Melvin. I forgot my glasses today. Others have written big things I've seen. Push. No, Uriel. Uriel. No. Who hasn't shown me? Luyanda, wake up this arm. Let me see Poitumelo, right pick. Quickly, quickly, time is not on our side. 4/5. Let me see Poitu. I can't see Poitumelo. Push, push. No. Poitumelo, you are playing. No. No. No, no. That what's happening? Andile, where's Andile? Let me push forward, Andile. Leave your Andile. Just hold your paper and push it where you are seated. Push, Andile. You don't let it be still. Your paper, you are shaking it too much. Don't shake it. I can't see, I'm seeing your blankets there. I can't see the paper. Push it up, sideways, right still, let it be still there. No, you are writing small, small. That is very small. Tawana, very good. Come here, Tawana, I want to lift you up. Come, let me lift you up, Tawana. I want to put you on my back. I want to put Tawana on my back. Bring the papu. Do you have a papu there? Bring it, Tawana. I want to put you on my back and run. Run away from Corona with you. You run away from Corona with the Tawana. I'm running that way. Let me see. Brave, where is it? Brave, I'm seeing your hands. I'm not seeing, no, push it, push. You are pushing it back to you. I can't see, Brave. Push it up. Push it again. No, Brave. No. Melvin, no. Ashanti has written 2. Brave, no. You are writing is too crowded. Just write your answer and show me. Big. Ashanti has written twice. You have gone, I can't see you. Where are you? Can you see me? I can't see you. You can see me.
Yes, ma'am.
But I can't. Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. You had disappeared. Where to? Right, may I see the work?
Yes, teacher.
What is this doing now? Who is this one? No, Brave, no. Brave, no. No, Brave, Poitumelo, no. Let me see, Akim. Akim, push. I don't want to see your face. I want to see your work. Let me see. No, yes. Very good, very good. Akim, very good. Akim, good. Uriel, let me see. Who is this one now? Angele. Push it, Angele. Angela, I don't know why. No, no. Let me see, Angela. No, that is not it. No, Angela, no. Melvin, no. Melvin, no. Let me see, Uriel. Don't move, move, move. Be still. Put your paper. No, Vanessa. Vanessa, no. Push. I don't want to see your face. Uriel, push. Push, Uriel. Push it. Sorry for that. Hello. Sorry, I'm in live lesson. Sorry. Let me see. Where is it? You people. What is No. No. Right. All right. Which number? Which number are we going to multiply by this? Hello? Who is this? Good life, listen, Uti. Right. Which one? Yes, Brave?
50.
Eh?
50.
50. Brave. Multiply 50 by 5. Multiply. You are saying 50 times 5. Multiply, Brave. 5 times 0. What is 5 times 0, Brave? Tell me. 5 times 0.
5.
5 times 0. 5 times 0, it is 0. 5 times 5.
25.
So is this 100? Is this 100? Which number do we multiply by 5 and get 100? Yes, you really unmute yourself.
45.
Please, may you get a number we multiply by 5 and get
55.
100? Tawana, which number is that? When you multiply by 5, which gives us 100?
Yes,
Tawana?
20.
20. Yes.
20.
Yes, the number is 20. And we are saying 4/5 times 20 over 20. 5 times 20, 100. Please don't guess, work out the sums. I'm going to give you some so that you work them out. Find equivalent fractions, then you change. As it is now, we are having our answer is going to be 80 over 100, which is going to be 80%. Can you see that? 4/5 times 20 over 20, which is equal to 80 over 100. Then 80%. Right. Our time is over now. I am going to give you these sums. Please take time, work them out, find equivalent fractions, whereby you are going to multiply your denominator by the number given, and you check if you have got 100. All right. So we're going to log out now and quickly log in. Bye for now. Bye.